Good morning.
Good morning. Hi.
We are going to start with a G major scale in 1 octave. So you may choose which octave you would like to work with for a little while. The click is a dotted quarter note. Ready, and so we're going to still think of a dotted quarter note per pitch, but I would like you to make two of the eighth notes be one bow direction and the other eighth note be the other. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So new rhythm, still 1 octave scale. Ready, and. So we're going to keep the same rhythm, and I would like you to make the little eighth note between every pitch of your scale be a D. 1, 2, 3. Grab Carla. Wouldn't want her to miss all the fun. We're doing G major scale. At the moment we're doing 1 octave with every other note of the scale having a D between it. You can choose which D. And if you need to kind of ease into it, then just do G major scale and dotted quarter notes. And enjoy everybody else's excitement here. 1, 2, 3. So assuming it was starting to get easy, one more time, pick a different D. 1, 2, 3. That's a fun morning challenge. Harder to lead when you're trying to see if everybody else can do it. I'd like to also do a chromatic scale today, so chromatic scale between G and G. G, G sharp, A, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G, again, G, Good deal. So, last week we were working on the connection between the Poco lento and the Rondo, but we didn't do the whole Rondo. So I want to do the Rondo first-ish today. And this will be a quicker tempo, but not as fast as the connecting tempo we were working on last week. It felt like we needed an intermediate one. And it looks like I should probably play cello first this morning. So the goal is we're going to play the entire Rondo. And this first time I'm on the cello part. The warm-up click is our dotted quarter note, so hopefully it means everybody's had enough coffee that they can do it. Remember, cellos come in 4, 5, 6, so I will say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. deal. Alright, so same amount, only this time I'm on the violin side. I will do my best to throw out a few measure numbers like I did the first time around. Same counting, cellos be ready. 1, 2, 3. Da, da, da. Good deal. Alright, so now I'd like to hit the connection. So we're going to go back to the Poco lento, and we're going to do the Poco lento through into the Rondo until the key change at measure 33. So we'll do the first section, we'll go into the G minor section. But I want to make sure I can be equally fair on both sides. So, like last time, we're going to hit the Poco lento that the click is an eighth note, and then the Rondo that the click is a dotted quarter note. So hopefully this will be a good tempo-ish for everybody. Play the violin side first. 1, 2, 3. Cello, 5, 6. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6. Measure 5, 2. 3, we're almost to measure 10, 5, 6, 10, 2. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. playing the cello part. Same way. If you can't play every note, at least play one note in each measure. Or keep your eyes on the measure that you know where you are. At the Poco lento, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Violin. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Measure 10. Then that would be our spot. Everybody still breathing? Stretching? That's a good idea. Everybody's stretching. Alright, so let's do from the G minor to the end at this tempo. And so I would like to start at measure 20 so that the violins get to do their shift and lead in most beautifully. Alright, we'll still play cello part this first time. Have to keep it moving. Measure 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then from measure 20, and I'm playing violin parts. Alright. Marking and coffee drinking has happened. Measure 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice job. Alright, so announcements. Next week, no group. If you guys decide that you want to get together and party without me in the same room, that is absolutely fine. Special present for you guys. Last night I recorded all the movements of this rondo with Sophie, so you can hear what it sounds like with a violin and a cello in the same room together. And that meant that the tempos were not specifically metronome tempos. These tempos feel like it's nice to play them at this tempos. So that could give you a nice idea of what's cooking there. Are there questions on what we've been doing with this movement? Looks like there might be a question.
What is gonna happen?
You need to get closer to the event here.
What's
Okay.
gonna happen with the hold?
With the hold,
Yeah.
when we're in the same room,
Okay.
it's going to be very easy to cut the hold off, which would be whoever we designate as the violin cutter offer of the hold, and then the cello would take over. Ba-da-da-da-dum.
Okay. Because
But
it's
not being in the
so
same room,
Okay.
it's
All right.
pretty challenging.
Yeah.
And conversely, when we start the whole thing, there should be a designated violin starter, because the moderato begins with the violins. And so someone should be able to take that leadership capacity and say, all right, this is our tempo, this is what we're going. Which is also very hard to work on in the format that we have right now. And it is absolutely fine with me, whatever day that we're all in the same room doing this, that it gets assigned and everybody has a different job. I mean, even if we have to write over each hold, all right, this is who you're looking at, and this is who you're looking at next. I would rather see that happen than people not develop the skill to be able to start things.
Are we going to be able to organize a doing that before the performance?
Joy, I saw your lips moving, but not a real question.
Are we going to be able to organize the time to do that before the performance? Get together?
I would think so, since I have not scheduled a performance. But I'm leaning toward attempting to do all three of these duets in the same day. So all of our work will come to a big conclusion at the same time. That's what I'm leaning toward. So, since we haven't even started the third duet, I'm not feeling pressured to pick a day to play them. Not knowing how long it takes to put it all together.
That's fine. Not in a hurry.
I didn't think anybody was in a hurry. These are good questions, though. I was considering using today to play something like The Last Rose of Summer, since I know people go back to school, but I figured a little more polishing on this was what was more needed. So, and like I said, if you guys choose to all get together in the same room next week without me, I will not be offended, and you can work some of that out yourself. Or if you choose to, I don't know, make lunches or whatever needs to happen, then that's good too. And we will resume our online life here in 2 Wednesdays on, it's the 29th, 28th. Look at an official calendar, 28th. On the 28th, we will meet again at our normal time. Anything
Well,
else?
enjoy your great cello winter in North Carolina or wherever it is.
I'm sure, I thought about playing the cello with you guys today, but didn't want to shake it up since I've been rehearsing on this cello. So soon you will see the new cello.
You have a new cello.
Yes. Yes. Faith will be sad she missed it. All right. Everybody have a great week.
Marianne, service, everybody.
Bye-bye.